Thanks, Jeremy. Now to football. There are notable absentees from the Reggae Boys squad for their crucial upcoming 3 World Cup qualifiers against Mexico, Panama and Costa Rica, as interim head coach Paul Hall assembles his charges for his second game in charge. Our interim coach Paul Hall is 0 from 1 with 3 goals conceded following Thursday's friendly international against Peru in Lima. However, none of that will matter in another 4 days when the Reggae Boys face Mexico at the National Stadium. Hall has already been dealt a blow as Leon Bailey, who he spoke highly of, will not be available for the 3 games due to injury. Also absent is attacker Kemar Roof, who scored in a 2-0 win over Honduras for the team's only victory of the campaign so far. TVJ Sports understands that Roof was left out over concerns over his fitness, having recently returned from an injury he picked up during the last international break. The surprise exclusion is, however, midfielder Anthony Grant, with the 34-year-old not a preferred option for Hall in the middle of the park. Grant has put in some good performances for the Reggae Boys during the campaign so far, with the team losing only 1 of the 5 games in which he has started. Striker Shamar Nicholson had indicated that he would not be available for the games, having recently switched clubs. Javon Watson has also been left out of the team. The 23-man squad also sees one new face in the form of 28-year-old midfielder Kevin Stewart. The former Tottenham Hotspur youth player is now at Blackpool, having also played in the English Premier League with Liverpool, where he made his debut in 2016. Goalkeeper Amal Knight, who kept on Thursday against Peru, is also included in the World Cup qualifying squad for the first time. Returning to the squad are midfielders Peter Lee Vassell and Daniel Johnson, and defender Ethan Pinnock, while Ravel Morrison, whose only game was against Panama in their 3-0 defeat at the National Stadium, is also named in the 23. The rest of the squad reads Dwayne Miller, Andre Blake, Damian Lowe, Alphas Powell, Lamar Walker, Kemar Lawrence, Adrian Mariappa, Junior Flemings, Devon Williams, Bobby Reed, Liam Moore, Michael Antonio, Javan East, Gregory Leith, Corey Burke, and Javane Brown.